Hi there, and welcome to Health Insights. Today, we're diving into the world of ASMR autonomous sensory meridian response and exploring how it can help reduce stress and anxiety. Whether you're new to ASMR or a seasoned listener, this video is for you. We'll talk about the benefits, things to consider, and whether ASMR is suitable for everyone, including children. So, grab a cozy blanket, settle in, and let's get started. First, what exactly is ASMR? It's that tingling sensation you might feel in response to certain sounds, visuals, or even gentle touches. Common ASMR triggers include whispering, tapping, crinkling sounds, and personal attention like roleplays. For many, these triggers create a deep sense of relaxation and calm, making ASMR a popular tool for stress relief. Studies suggest that ASMR can lower heart rates, reduce cortisol levels, that's the stress hormone, and even help with sleep. But how does it work? Well, it's believed that ASMR activates the parasympathetic nervous system, which helps your body relax and unwind. Now, let's talk about the benefits. ASMR has been shown to help with stress and anxiety by providing a sensory escape. It's like a mental reset button. Many people use ASMR to unwind after a long day, calm their minds before bed, or even as a tool to manage anxiety disorders. Some of the key benefits include improved sleep quality, reduced feelings of stress and anxiety, enhanced focus and mindfulness, sense of comfort and connection. It's like having a personal relaxation coach in your pocket. While ASMR can be incredibly helpful, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Some people might not experience the tingling sensation, and that's okay. Others might find certain triggers overstimulating or even annoying. It's all about finding what works for you. Now, what about children? ASMR can be a great tool for kids, especially those who struggle with anxiety or have trouble sleeping. However, it's important to monitor the content they're listening to. Some ASMR videos might include themes or sounds that aren't suitable for younger audiences. Always check the video description and choose child-friendly ASMR creators. If you're new to ASMR, here are a few tips to get started. 1. Find a quiet, comfortable space where you can relax. 2. Use headphones to fully immerse yourself in the sounds. 3. Experiment with different triggers, whispering, tapping, or even nature sounds. 4. Be patient. It might take a few tries to find what works for you. Remember, ASMR is all about creating a personal experience. There's no right or wrong way to enjoy it. It's your time to relax and recharge. Thanks for joining me today as we explored the calming world of ASMR. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Health Insights for more tips on relaxation and self-care. And if you have a favorite ASMR trigger or experience you'd like to share, let me know in the comments below.